What up, YouTube? Just in the house bored, man. All these days off, I can't just keep chilling and do it, man. 2, 3 days, that's it. But the van's still up. I ain't got a chance to get over that way yet. Decide next week I might bring it back for a couple days. Since the weather been kind of dry, just cold. I could drive it like it is. Just don't want that thing getting wet, salt water all the time. But I'm out here messing with the wife car. Her door don't lock when you lock it. And she got an automatic lock on it, unlock. I mean, she got the, y'all know the Grand Marquis. They got the thing so you can't lock the door when you lock it like this, but it ain't doing nothing. Gotta manually lock it and use the handle to open it, so I can hear it in the inside. See if y'all can hear it. Actually, you look right here. This where it's supposed to be. Looked online, they said it just came loose. So, if y'all can hear it real quick. So you hear it, you can hear it in there trying to move. But it ain't connected, so I'm gonna get it, see if I can put another screw in there, see what happens. Alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, real quick. Got her did. Excuse the car. Says do not be cleaning the car out. I need to take it in and wash myself. That's how it be when you let people use your cars. But anyways, the door. Oh, there's the window open, so it's fixed. Alrighty. Something else. Okay.